How to reset your passive skill tree in Path of Exile 2, you must first unlock the NPC known as the Hooded One. This involves progressing through the main plot and completing 2 specific quests in Act 1, the Mysterious Shade and Sorrow Among Stones. After finishing these quests, you will need to defeat the boss Lachlan of Endless Lament to obtain Count Lachlan's Reign, which you must deliver to you at the Clearfell encampment. Once this is accomplished, the Hooded One will be revived and available for interaction. To reset your passive skills, approach the Hooded One and select the Refund Passives option from his dialog menu. This action opens your passive skill tree, allowing you to choose which skills you wish to refund. Each skill refunded incurs gold cost, which increases depending on how deep the skill is within the tree. You can refund as many or as few skills as you like at once, with no limit on how often you could perform this action. After selecting the desired skills, confirm your choices, and the refunded skill points will return to your pool, enabling you to reallocate them according to your new build preferences. This flexibility allows players to adapt their character builds effectively throughout their journey in the game, enhancing their overall experience and strategy in Path of Exile 2.